Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, today in this session we discuss 1 mark and 2 mark questions for your annual examination 2024. So guys, are you ready to practice 1 mark and 2 mark questions? Then start the session. First question. Decimal expression of the number root 2 is dash. Option A finite decimal. No, because root 2 is an irrational number. So option B 1.41421. No. So option C is non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating, non-recurring. So option number D is the correct answer. That is non-terminating, non-recurring. Non-recurring means we can write in this way like 1.41213442. Okay, recurring means 1.41414141 ... Okay, so also you should know about if a number is 0.29 bar, how to convert into P by Q. So you can write 29 divided by 29, that is 99. If the question is 0.399 bar, then you can write the number that is 39 minus 3. Okay, but जहाँ पर बार नहीं, that is 3 divided by 9. जतेटा पर बार थिबो तापाई 9, जहाँ पर न थिबो तापाई 0, that is 90. So minus 36 divided by 90. Okay, cancel 3 12 ja, 3 30 ja, then 3 4 ja, 3 10 ja, 2 ja, 2 5 ja. So answer is 2 by 5. Sorry, 39. Next question. If P of x equal to x plus 3, then P of x plus P of minus x equal to dash. So put the value, that is P of x is x plus 3, okay, plus P of minus x, that is in place of x we can put minus x, that is minus x plus 3. So equal to x cancel, 3 plus 3, that is 6. So option number D is the correct answer. Next question, question number 3. If 2, 0 is the solution of the linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to k, then the value of k equal to dash. Then put the value x equal to 2, y equal to 0. So 2 into x equal to 2, that is 2, plus 3 into 0, that is 0, equal to k. So k equal to 4. So option number A is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Any point on the x-axis is the form of x-axis means y equal to 0. So option number C is the correct answer. Next question. A diagonal of a rectangle is inclined. One side of the rectangle is 25. Okay. Suppose this is a rectangle that is A, B, C, D, and the one side of the rectangle is 25 diagonals. So diagonal is 25. Then the acute angle between the diagonals. Diagonals means we should draw the another diagonal, that is BD. Find the acute angle. First, this angle is 25. Also, this angle is 25 because alternative interior angle. Yes or no? So, or we can say that these sides and these sides are equal because diagonals are equal of a rectangle. So, this diagonal plus these diagonals are equal. So, these sides, that is OB and OC also equal. OB equal to OC. So it is a isosceles triangle. We can write this angle is 25. Yes or no? Because isosceles angle opposites angles are equal. So 25 25. So this is a triangle that is OBC. In OBC, BOC equal to 180 minus 50. 180 minus 50 because sum of the three angle equal to 180. So 2 angles are 50. So third angle is 180 minus 50. That is 130 degree. But question is acute angle. Acute angle means this angle because it is a obtuse angle. So acute angle how to find? Now this is the linear pair. This angle plus this angle is a linear pair. So 180 degree minus 30, 130 is equal to 50 degree. So option number C is the correct answer. Okay. So next question, question number 6. If the length of each side of equilateral triangle having area, okay, we know that equilateral triangle area equal to root 3 by 4 or root 3 by 4 a square is equal to 9 root 3. Now root 3 cancel, 4 যদি আমি সেপারেট করব a square equal to 36, 9 4 is 36, so a equal to 6, yes or no? So length is equal to 6 centimeter. Next question, degree of the zero polynomial is dash. The degree of the zero polynomial is not defined. Also remember the degree of the constant polynomial either root 2, comma root 7 or 7x. Okay, here the degree equal to 1 and here also degree equal to 1 because constant polynomial degree equal to 1, but here the degree is 1. The variable, the highest power of the variable is 1, so that's why the degree equal to 1. Understand? Next question. Euclid's divided his famous treatise element into dash chapter, 13 chapters. Option number A is the correct answer. The class mark of the particular class is 6.5, class size equal to 3, then the class interval is dash. Okay, the class mark of a particular class is 6.5, means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2 is equal to 6.5, yes or no? Means upper limit plus lower limit is equal to 6.5 into 2, that is 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 13, that is 13, 13.0 or 13. And the class interval is means class size. Okay, class size means upper limit minus lower limit is equal to 3. Now add this, lower limit cancel, then upper limit, two upper limit is equal to 16. Now upper limit equal to 16 by 2, that is 8, yes or no? So put the value upper limit, that is 8, and the lower limit is equal to minus 3 equal to lower limit, so 5, yes or no? So 5 is the lower limit. So class interval is 5 and 8. Okay, 5 and 8. So option number A is the correct answer. Understand? Next question. The area of an isosceles triangle having base equal to 2. Okay, this is a isosceles triangle. We know that isosceles triangles, two sides are equal, that is 4 and 4, and base equal to 2. Now find the area. First find the S. So S equal to sum of the three sides by perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter means 4 plus 8 plus 2, 10 by 2, that is 5. Okay, now put the value by area. Area equal to S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C, or root over S equal to 5 into 5 minus 4, that is 1, 5 minus 4, that is 1, 5 minus 2, that is 3. So root 15 is the correct answer. Okay, next question. If the measure of the angle is twice is measure of the supplementary, okay, suppose angle is x, its supplementary is 180 minus x, yes or no? Now, according to questions, the angle is equal to twice is supplementary angle, 2 into 180 degree minus x. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 2x. Now 2x plus x, that is 3x equal to 360. Now x equal to 360 divided by 3, that is 120. Next question. ABCD is a rhombus such that ACB equal to 40. Okay, ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD. Now ACB equal to 40. ACB equal to 40. Find ADB. ADB. Okay. So here diagonals ADB find out kariba. Okay, so 40, this angle also 40. Now this angle is 90 because two diagonals are intersect at right angle of a rhombus. So 90 plus 40, that is 130. So subtract from 180 because sum of the three angle of a triangle is equal to 180. So 180 minus 130 equal to 50 degree. So option number C is the correct answer. Understand? Next question. If the radius of a hemisphere, okay, given, so hemisphere radius equal to 2r, so volume formula equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now 2 by 3 pi r means 8 r cube. Yes or no? So question is 8 to the 16. Find the volume. The 16 by 3 pi r cube. So option number B is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. A cone is 8.4 centimeter high, means h equal to 8.4 centimeter. Radius r equal to 2.1 centimeter. It melted means volume find out kariba into a sphere, means volume of the cone is equal to volume of the sphere. Now put the formula, that is volume of the cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now 3 cancel, pi cancel. So put, so r equal to r of the cone equal to 2.1. We can put in place of r 2.1 r square into h is 8.4 is equal to 4 into r cube. Now 4 cancel is 4 2 ja, 4 1 ja. So r cube is equal to 2.1 r cube. Now r equal to 2.1. So option number B is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. The value of this is important questions. 32 we can write 4 into 8, yes or no? And 48 we can write 4 into 12 divided by 8 plus root 12. Now we can solve. Root 4 means 2, okay, then root 8 plus root 4 means 2 root 12 divided by 8 plus 12 root 2 by 8 root 2, 12 root 2. Now taking common 2, now taking common 2 root 8 plus root 12 divided by root 8 plus root 12. Now this cancel, the answer is 2. So option number B is the correct answer. Okay. Two interior angle on a same side of the transversal intersecting two parallel lines. Okay. Two parallel lines. The ratio of the 2 is 3. So this is 2, this is 3, that is 2x, that is 3x. Now the greater angle is, so we know that sum of the two interior angle equal to 180 degree by supplements. So 2x plus 3x equal to 180 degree. Now 5x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 5 3 ja 15, 30, 5 6 ja 36. So greater angle means 3 into 36, 3 into 36 equal to 108. Okay. Next question. In the given figure, DAB equal to 60, okay, and ABD equal to 50, we can find this angle. This is 50 plus 60, that is 110. So subtract from 180, that is 70, okay. And we know that if the angle is subtended from the equal chord, they are equal, so it also 70 degrees. So option number C is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. In triangle ABC and DEF, AB equal to FD, A angle equal to D angle, the two triangle will be congruent by such axiom if SAS means side angle sides. Here side is given, angle is given, another sides, that is BCEF. देखो BCEF, okay, and ACDE first last, then DE no, तो इटा तो कभी अपने ऑप्शन. ACEF, AC means first last, then EF no, এটা भी अपनी. Next question, question number D, sorry, option number D. BCDE last two, DE no, first two अपनी, तो option number A is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Statement, assertion. a chord of a circle which is twice as long in its radius, it is a diameter of the circle. Yes, true. Statement, reason. As we know that any chord whose length is twice as long, it is a diameter, okay, as the radius of the circle always passes through the center of the circle, okay, as the radius of the circle always passes through the center of the circle. True. So option number A is the correct answer. That is sorry, it false habo. So कौन कही radius कौन कहते हैं क्वेश्चन as we know that any chord whose length is twice as long as the radius. अच्छा ठीक है. So option number A is the correct answer. Next question, question number 20. Statement A, that is if x minus 2 is a factor, that is we can write x minus 2 equal to 0. Now x equal to 2. Yes or no? Put the value, that is in place of x you can put 2, 3 to the power 3 minus 2 into 2 plus 3k. Factor means equal to 0. So 2 to the power 3, that is 8 minus 4 plus 3k equal to 0. So 3k is equal to 4. So put our minus 4. So k equal to minus 4 by 3. So yes, it is true. Now if p of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Yes, because our remainder को 0 करले because it is factor अच्छी. So it is the correct explanation. So option number A is the correct answer. Next question. It is known that x plus y equal to 10 and the x equal to z, so that z plus y equal to 10. Okay. So write down, given x plus y is equal to 10. Okay. X equal to z, we can put in place of x, that is z. That is z plus y is equal to 10 proved. Okay. Next question number 22. Find the mean of the first 6 multiple of 3. First find out first multiple of 3 are 3, then 3 2 just 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Yes or no? So write down. Mean means we can write sum of the number, that is 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 divided by 6. Now add this number, 6 plus 3 9 plus 9 18, 18 to 20 10 30, 40 45, 45 55, 60 63. So 63 divided by 6. Okay. So 63 6 1 just 6, 10 1 by 6, sorry 3 by 6. So 10 whole 1 by 2, or we can write 10.5. Next question. The point 3 4 lies on the graph 3y equal to ax plus 7. Then find the value of a. So put the value, that is x, this is y. Now put 3 into y, that is 4, equal to a into x equal to 3 plus 7. Now 3a plus 7 is equal to 12. So 3a is equal to 12 minus 7. So 3a equal to 5. So a equal to 5 by 3. Okay. Next question. Or question. Give the equation of the line passings. Okay, x and y are given, that is x equal to 4, y equal to minus 2. Equation means x plus y, that is solve for the 4 plus 2, that is 2. So this is one equation. Another equation, x minus y equal to how much? 4 minus means plus 6. This is another equation. Okay, or you can write x equal to minus 2y, value put karo satisfy karuchi. So it is also equation. So how many more such lines are there? There are the infinite or many lines. Okay, एमती हमें infinite हमें find out